Are you stressed and frustrated with life? If so, you're not alone. Modern life carries with it enormous demands, such as stress, worry, anxiety, and tremendous emotional upset. Every time you have to deal with such wasteful garbage, you are left with too little energy, mental clarity, focus, or physical stamina to create meaningful changes in your life. You are simply too tired and stressed to handle it all. It's like trying to carry too many groceries in through the front door, only to find out that the door is locked. Only when we set some things down can we finally open the door. The very same is true for how you carry around too much stress, worry, anxiety, uncertainty, pain, and broken trust. Life becomes a struggle. It loses its joy. Life becomes a dull routine where time passes by and nothing really improves because we are simply too emotionally strained to create meaningful changes. Nothing is going to change until you first reclaim all of your wasted energy and focus. The solution is to safely and quickly redefine how your body responds to your accumulated emotional toxicity. The toxic mind is real, and it robs you of the emotional and physical power you need to improve your life. In truth, this toxic mind is the enemy within that's been working against you this entire time. But you can quickly turn things completely around using one scientific mind hack. When you redefine your mind, you eliminate the toxic mind, leaving yourself clear, focused, and energized. The process takes only minutes to learn, only moments to use, and it produces powerful, measurable results you can monitor for a lifetime. So, how does one eliminate overloaded emotional toxicity? In 2006, at a Southern Research University, Douglas made an important discovery that safely eliminates the toxic mind, leaving one not only feeling renewed, but also emotionally restored. It's like an emotional reset switch, sweeping away all of the bad stuff while keeping and multiplying all of the good stuff. That's exactly how it works, and the results can be measured for life. Now, this isn't therapy. It is only self-help, but it works like magic. And it seems to last. Douglas's own results have remained firmly in place since 2006. Now, for a moment, stop to imagine how life could feel if you eliminated the enemy within. Emotional freedom, mental focus and clarity that before was wasted on senseless baggage. Improved workplace performance. Better relationships. Greater financial opportunities. Better health through removing the stress and tension from your life. From the way you hold yourself to the healthy boundaries you set on how others treat you. From the respect that you earn to the way you confidently assert yourself in life. Suddenly everything works better for you because you are free from the destructive toxic mind. Life becomes fun again because you safely removed all of your self-limitations and reclaimed your control. It's your life. Come on and live it to the fullest. You can be free. You can help yourself and those you love. You can set a powerful example for your family and friends. You can use the basic science of emotional liberation and be the one who took a stand. Now take the next step. Reach out for a free consultation and find out if you're a great candidate for this amazing process. You'll know right away if it works for you or not. Either way, at least you'll know for certain. You have everything to gain, so right now, while it's still fresh on your mind, reach out to us at the free schedule link on your screen and book your free call. Everything changes once you take action, and this is the right time to act. It's all up to you now.